This video teaches you how to change the name or value of a chart's legend entries in an Excel spreadsheet. Click on the chart you want to edit. This will display your Chart Tool tabs at the top of your spreadsheet. Click the Chart Design tab. Click Select Data. This will open a new dialog box where you can edit your legend and data values. Select a legend entry in the Legend Entries Series box. Click the Edit button. Type in a new entry name into the series name box. Enter a new chart value into the Y Values box. Click the OK button. This will save your name and value edits and apply the changes to your visual chart. You can also click the Collapse dialog icon and select a cell from the spreadsheet. This will copy and assign the selected cell's contents as the entry name. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.